Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to cook Claypot Fish Head Curry. Yeah, of course you can use fish tail if you want to, or even fish cutlets. I have a piece of this is half of 7-star grouper fish head. Yeah, very fresh. And I'm going to put a lot of veggie inside. This is brinjal. Once you cut brinjal, you have to put it inside, soak it under water so that it doesn't get oxidized. And then I have some tofu pork. This is actually the bentong tofu pork. Very yummy. My family loves this. And some cabbage. I have some French bean. Actually, usually they put long bean, but it doesn't matter. I put French beans. And I have some tomato chunks. The fish head curry is going to be to have a lot of veggie inside. Let's take a look at how to make the curry. Of course, we have the powders. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Baba's fish curry powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. These 3 is actually more important. The ready mix fish curry powder is optional. All the ingredients I use, it will be written inside the video description. And I have some minced tomato. And here we have some minced garlic, ginger, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots and some curry leaves. We will need some chicken stock. The fish head curry more creamy. I'm going to use coconut milk and also evaporated milk. These 2 together. My bowl is not very big to accommodate so many items. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the veggie in the pot, in the wok, and steam the fish separately. The good thing of steaming your fish separately, it is actually you get to remove the fishy water from the fish itself. You'll start with at least 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. You need a lot of oil whenever you're cooking curry. Yeah. Shall put in the fresh herbs, garlic, ginger, fresh coriander roots, and also shallots, and the curry leaves. Saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. Right after that, we will add in the minced tomato. And the next thing we do is to lower the heat because we are about to add in the mixed powders, the curry powders here. You cannot add in the curry powders when it is on high heat. It can get burned extremely easy. Many people ask Appa if I don't add the red chili powder can or not because they're scared it will make the dish very spicy. Actually no, if you use the local Malaysian curry powders, usually the red chili powder is not spicy at all. It is just more it is more of giving you the beautiful chili aroma and also the red color. If you find it too dry, feel free to add some oil. And you want to use medium-low to slowly saute your curry powder here for at least about, I would say, somewhere between 5 minutes. And you need to keep on stirring it to prevent it from getting burnt. Usually they will actually saute until the curry powder started to, the oil started to break. This is approximately about 5 minutes. Sauteing under medium-low heat until you start to see the oil started to break. It is telling you your curry paste is ready. Look at the beautiful color. Next thing, you are going to add in the chicken stock. And now we can increase it to higher heat, medium high. I think the water is not enough. I'm going to add a bit more. And we are going to put in the brinjal. The brinjal will take slightly longer to cook, actually, easily 5 minutes. Curry puff. Curry puff pula. This is tofu puff, not curry puff. The tomato chunks. Actually, one thing I like about eating fish head curry outside is actually it comes with a lot of veggie. That is the part I really love. Sometimes you don't have to order a separate veggie dish. And now we should actually give it some seasoning. We will put in the cabbage and beans a bit later. Going to give it a bit of salt. Some of my Vietnamese premium fish sauce. Some sugar to balance the flavor a bit. Just now I already added in the cabbage and also the beans. Yeah. Okay, once you see the brinjal color started to become a bit transparent, it is telling you it's ready. It has already cooked through. Yeah. So now we can just do the final seasoning and also the making the emulsification effect, which is to make the broth more creamier. I'm going to use evaporated milk. I think coconut milk aroma is irreplaceable. Give it a few stir. Ah, super fragrant. I have to put my clay pot at the side because clay pot cannot be put on an induction cooker. On the cooker that I'm actually using today, one side is induction, the other side is the normal ceramic pot, ceramic hob, okay? So which is good, meaning I get the, to choose to use any kind of wok I wanted. Garnish it with some curry leaves on top, and it's done. Okay, very simple but very flavorful fish head curry. I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I will consider this a one pot dish and eat together with white rice. Thank you very much. Bye bye.